Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. It seriously seems like serum makeup is the new thing. Serum primers, serum foundations. This is the first serum concealer that I'm trying out and I'm really excited about it. I picked this up from Walmart. It cost about $11. I have it here in the shade Light. This doesn't have as extensive of a shade range as I feel like some concealers or foundations would have. So hopefully this works for me. It has nourishing ingredients in it, like tremella mushroom. I don't know what that even does. But this is also cruelty-free, vegan, and it sounds awesome because it's supposed to be very lightweight, undetectable, which is something I really look for in my skin makeup. It's also supposed to be very hydrating, so good for if you have dry patches, which is definitely something I tend to get. And it's a medium coverage, non-cakey, natural finish, which sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. Ooh, and cute packaging with the pink details. And so it says to apply it with a brush, and this Amazon foundation brush is my favorite way to apply liquid foundation. But I kind of want to try this out as a concealer first, and I tend to blend out my concealers either with my finger or a dampened beauty sponge. So we're going to try out all the techniques. But first, I'm going to go ahead and pump a little onto my finger. Okay. It's not as serum of a texture as I was expecting. It seems just like a regular liquid makeup texture. Whereas a serum, I think of it more as like runny, you know? But okay, I feel like I may have taken a little bit too much. So just with my finger, I'm going to blend it on my under eye, where I definitely deal with dark circles. But whoa. Okay, this is looking awesome. Oh my gosh, it's such a hydrated skin-like texture, which is so beautiful. I love that. And this is giving good coverage. And I like how it blended with my finger on my under eyes. Look at that coverage. I definitely would say it's medium coverage. See, I'm going to pick up a little bit more, just see if it is buildable, because I love to completely cover these under eye circles. But I love that it's not leaving any texture. And it's looking super skin-like. And not looking drying at all either. I'm loving this hydrated, smooth finish. Okay, I don't think it's any more buildable than that. I think that's where I'm going to have to leave that coverage, which is nice. And usually I don't apply my foundation on my under eyes, so I'm doing something a little different by applying it to the rest of my face as well. And I only had to use a tiny bit. Maybe for the fun of it, since I only used half, I'm going to pick up the other half on my sponge and blend it out this way so we can compare the difference on how it applies with these techniques. I mean, it still looks super smooth and nice blended out with the sponge, just not as much coverage. For the under eye, I like the technique of just using my finger to try and get as much coverage as possible, because the dark under eye circles is something that I really want to cover. But you can see just as I'm going back over it with my finger how much more coverage I get. I feel like a lot of NYX products are kind of pricey, but this being $11 and only having to use a little bit, I feel like for a concealer is not too expensive. And this is looking so beautiful on the under eyes. It is creasing in the fine lines there, like a lot of concealers do, so I would set that with a powder. But one pump is all it took to do both under eyes. Now I'm going to put a pump onto the back of my hand and pick up my foundation brush and apply this to the rest of my face. The shade might be a little light because I do like to make my concealer usually like a shade or so lighter than the rest of my face. So I would probably want to get this in 2 different shades, but it is blending out really nicely with the brush. And it looks so beautiful on the skin. The texture is so skin-like, undetectable, just like it claimed. And definitely a natural finish. Not too radiant, but definitely not matte. Looks so skin-like. I just feel like that's the perfect way to describe it. So on my forehead here, I did a very thin layer, so you can get more of a light coverage too, which I like. So the coverage from my forehead versus my under eye is different, but I like that you can customize it to what you need, because I need less coverage on my forehead, but I want more coverage on the under eye. But wow, it looks so good. I'm loving the coverage and the texture. I'm just so picky about texture, and you can't even see it on my skin. Oh my gosh. But so now with it applied to half of my face, you can see with it, without it, helped to even out the skin tone. And as far as the large pores that I have on my cheeks and my nose, it's not emphasizing the pores. They look so much smaller, undetectable with the foundation versus without it. So it's also smoothing to the pores. It definitely seems hydrating. I'm so impressed. I probably need about a pump and a half to do half of my face, because I did 1 pump and this is about as far as I can blend it. But I do think this is going to last surprisingly longer than I thought when I first saw how small it is. I feel like this is doing everything it claimed, which I was saying is exactly what I want in my foundation. All right, it is fully applied now, and I love it. I just feel like it helped to perfect my skin, but in such a natural way. There's still glow, radiance. It looks so natural. Like you can't tell that there's a full face of makeup because it doesn't look heavy at all, and it still has that kind of glowing skin texture. The only thing is the little bit of creasing, which I can just set with a powder. But other than that, this is seriously perfect for what I was looking for. I'm so excited to continue wearing this, and I'll update the description down below with my wear test, but I really hope that this smooth skin-like texture stays, because for my under eyes, I'm very picky. I don't want it to look drying. I really want it to be hydrated and smooth on my under eyes, and it absolutely is. So this is both a great concealer and all-over foundation. So if you've tried this out, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. But if you haven't tried it out, I really do recommend it. I feel like for the price, it's a pretty great drugstore foundation or concealer product. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.